1 sec, guys. Wait, who is that? I'm sick. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh. Well, anyway, this is my fidget collection. Okay, we're gonna go up and work my way down. I'm sorry. You start. Okay. Get out. Okay. In here, let's start. Okay. This is the top. Very cute. I got 2 Mickey Mouse squishy.
What is mine?
Can I get one? Wait, first I'm gonna turn on my LED lights. But do not even plug in. Can they plug in? Get my remote. Oh, they already are.
It's so cute. Wow. My favorite.
Okay. No. Get the other squishmallow. Oh, wait, no.
Oh.
Don't open the. Somebody steal this. My octopus squishmallow. Where did it go? Ow! Okay, I'm gonna let somebody else have that.
We're gonna hide.
But I actually got the straight one.
Ew.
Guys, listen, the puppets. On here is my puppets and dimples. I will show you. I'm gonna pull it out. Understand the circles. We got this orange puppet.
Boys, wanna see my mega dump?
No, just stop. For real. Just act up like usual. This is my next puppet. Let's try the orange one. It does not work good that much, but it's one of my puppets still.
Can I fly?
Yeah, you could. Okay, you could tell them what the puppets are, and I'll pop them. This is a puppet. Actually, you can watch and try. And it worked very awesome.
It's super.
And the back is very quiet. Yes, I will show you every single puppet. Everything. Okay. The next one I'm gonna get is this blue puppet. It worked very great. It worked very good. It's not the best, but might not look the best, but it works.
I just moved the camera.
And these is all the ones we got food that I showed you so far. And now we're moving on to the octagons. This is another octagon. It works good, I guess.
Yeah, just
Now, it's super loud on the clicking side. But now, look at this. We got this puppet. It does not work good at all. This is a very bad puppet. I'm going to give you another one. This one. This is my other octagon puppet. It's the same as the other one.
I'm going to be taking a nap.
Okay, just get out of the way. Okay, we got another same one. I have 3 of these. I don't know.
Hello, guys.
This one is...
Hello.
Shush, I thought you were taking a nap. You're taking a nap. Okay, I got 3 of the same. Okay, now let's move on to the shape. It's a little bit more different. It's just that there's less size.
It's facing me. The camera. It's facing me.
Stop.
Charlie.
This is another one. Puppet. It does work great. It's very light and soft. And it's good. I can pop his 4 fingers.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Now next one. I got another one of these. I would say this is also one of my newest one. It doesn't work good though, but it's super plain and it's not really loud. But now I got this octopus puppet, and let's move the pile. Gosh, show them all the puppets we do so far.
Okay.
This is all the puppets we do so far.
All the puppets.
We did these first, then we did these, and then we went to this. Now we're doing the octopus.
Yep.
And this is the octopus. And yes, this one works good. I have 3 other ones that are coming. Probably that. Yeah. And we got quite a few of these.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, that was that one.
Okay, now move on.
Okay, we got another octopus. It was slightly different because we got a little bit different ones. Got them a little bit different. It sounds sometimes funny like all of them. Get on there.
You can sell all of them. You can sell all of my fidgets.
Well, guys, after this will be the category of my favorite.
Can we do a part 2? Because this video is 7 minutes.
Already? Already? Well, this is the same. It works a little bit. It's not loud.
Okay.
But the clicky sound
my ears.
is very loud. Okay, that's all the octagons. Let's move on. This one's actually my favorite. It's called a hard shell puppet.
It's
very
too close to the camera. Okay, pick it up a little bit.
It's awesome.
What did you?
Just look down at this. So awesome. This is the only hard shell we got.
Just do it like this so they can see better.
And that's the hard shell puppet. I got another heart puppet. I got 3 heart puppet. This is, I think, oh yeah, you traded this to me. The editor also had fidgets, and he traded me his heart puppet. It's rainbow, and it's this one.
Yeah, it's rainbow.
It's nice.
Nice.
It works good, and it's very awesome. I forgot what meat to him, but I traded something to him. Okay, now we got one more heart puppet.
What is that?
Yeah.
It is
Awesome, very shiny.
They had a pink one called. They had a pink
I
heart.
think I got that for you. I think I traded it to you.
I think it's mine. Well, guys, in next video, we're going to we'll probably make a part 2 or part 3 of the fidgets.
Well, and they might be in one more video. If I do this quick enough.
But it has been like 9 minutes.
Okay, let's just keep talking about it. And this is a Slinky Shine. Jake, can you go take a nap?
Me?
No, him. Jake.
I'm muted.
Okay, just don't say anything. This is a great puppet. I got this from Dollar Tree, and it's very shiny. And yeah, let's move on to the next one. This next one is this orange hand puppet. I think hand puppets are not good at all, and it's a ripoff because if you put it in the center on the loud side, you can't really push. Well, on this one it can, but I had a green one that I traded, and I kind of scammed the person who I gave it to. I think it was Stella. It's something in my trash, and she might be. I don't know if she realized it was a rip-off, but in the center, it's like hard to push, and it's probably impossible without like putting it up and.
Well, why did he come scam her?
Cause I hated that puppet. Okay, show them all of them.
All of them that we did so far.
I still got more puppets.
Oh my god, it's gonna take so long.
Actually, we'll do 3 parts. One drawer will be the first part, and then we'll keep going. Okay, now the next category is the puzzle piece. It is very awesome. Look, guys. It's awesome. Yeah. And it's very light when to push. And I'd say it's satisfying.
Guys, if you get bored, you can you can skip part of the video and you can go I don't know how to explain it.
Okay, now we got this purple flower puppet. Ooh. And where's this from? Oh, I think it's from Amazon.
How about I thought it was from Madison?
I actually don't know where it's from.
That was Madison's.
Oh. Well, this was awesome. Well, not really, but you should like it. Now we got this pineapple puppet.
I'm getting bored of this.
There's pineapples on it. After this jar, I'll do part 2 with the other jar.
And then we'll make a part 3, and then we'll make a part 1 with my fidgets.
Another part with your restart a new series with your fidget.
Yeah.
This one's awesome. Okay. Clicky side. Okay, coin. Now we got a dinosaur puppet.
Okay.
It has little dinosaurs on it. The pineapple had little pineapples on it. And I think the little ones are so cute. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but look. Right there it has a little dinosaur. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah.
A little
I don't know
dinosaur.
if they see it.
Well, if you could see it, they probably see it. Clicky side. Okay. We're getting close to the humongous puppets and the dimples and bracelets. Now we got this rainbow star puppet. It's actually from you. And
Oh, yeah.
I'm in love.
We got it from the arcade application.
Yeah, in the state of Maine and the USA.
5 hours away.
You might be confused
Or
if you
3
live
hours away.
You might be confused if you live in Canada. Clicky side.
Or a different country that is English.
Probably the UK.
Yeah.
Yeah, and okay. Move your foot because puppets are still to go. Look at, show them how much puppets. We're getting close to being done.
Oh my
with
god.
the puppets.
Just look how much there is left.
Okay, but next one is this gun. I say this. We live in the state of New York.
Yep.
In the USA. And if you know, in upper New York, there's a place called Lake George. And there's a shop.
We got it from
And
Fort
there's this
Tigeroga.
gun. Yeah, we got this gun. And it was awesome. I thought it was cool. So I got it. Let's do the clicky side. It
Clicky
sounds
sides
nice.
are the best.
I love clicky sides. Okay, we got 2 more regular puppets. I'd say this is my favorite food puppet I have. That's the French fries.
Okay. I like pineapple a lot.
Yeah, but the only thing wrong with this is when you pop the red and white stuff, it does not feel comfortable, and it's like, ugh. It's like not that comfortable.
Can I try it? Can you hold the camera cup?
Not really. You can try it after. do it.
No. I'm gonna try.
After the ring.
Can I try the clicky side?
Okay, here, do the clicky side.
Okay. So yeah. So. How is this side? Ugh,
Very uncomfortable.
I know.
Do the whole clicky side.
I love clicky sides.
Me too, Josh.
Yep. Now.
Here's the camera.
Okay.
Okay, the last one of the regular puppet is the popsicle.
Popsicle.
It's a nice puppet.
Oh yeah, I had that.
And it has letters on it.
We'll probably do videos of fidget trading.
Yeah, we will maybe.
Yeah. It has been 16 minutes.
And that's all of it.
All the
Puppets. Okay, we're gonna go with the mini puppets now. 10 the drummer puppets, and then we're on to the dimples. Then we'll be on done for the day. Okay? First
Yeah.
is this is the octopus puppet. And I got it from Maine. It's kind of hard to push, but it's really cool. And it's one of my favorite mini puppets. I don't have much mini puppets, but you'll just see them. Clicky side.
I don't want to hold this camera.
Now the clicky side.
I don't want
Let's
to
go
hold this
here.
camera.
That goes here. Now we got this. It's a heart puppet that's blue and white. Clicky side.
I feel like I don't want to hold the camera.
Okay, just lay it down like holding it with the thingies. And this is the clicky side. Okay, got it. Clicky side. That has 5 popped. Oh, look.
How many poppets left?
Not that many. I don't have many dimples, so we're almost there. And this is another one. And it's another one that is a purple with, it's a mini puppet similar to the other one I just showed you, but it's purple and white. What? Oh! What was that that flied? Oh, wait, stop! Clicky side. Okay. Next is this t-shirt puppet. And it's very awesome. I got this from Maine. And I loved it. It's like awesome. Clicky side. Wait, clicky side. And some more for you guys.
And how many poppets left?
Not many, but this one is awesome. It's very special because it was from somebody in my class named Oscar. And this is mini puppet that was awesome. Clicky side. Okay. Next, we got a cupcake. This is actually the person that's recording this puppet. He got it from Maine too, but he let me keep it.
Yeah.
I wish it's actually this puppet. Okay, clicky side.
Why do you say that all the time?
Okay, now the last mini puppet is this black and white dinosaur puppet.
Okay, so
I used to have more, but I traded them in my school. There's like a girl in my class named Olivia, and she's like, "No way! You have a dinosaur puppet?" And I traded it to her for something that I can't remember. Oh yeah, it was a shark puppet.
Shark puppet?
And I think
she's scanned.
Bella has it.
Wait, you traded it?
Okay.
Did you trade it to her?
Okay, mine's popping.
Did you trade it to Bella?
Okay. Yeah.
For...
No, I traded it to Olivia, and you can pass on. I don't know what happened. But now we got these 2 popping bracelets from Maine, but I think they were a ripoff because these bubbles here pop back up within a few seconds.
Yeah, and
But this one didn't.
when you wear them, you can't even pop it. It's on the bad
That's why I
side.
hate these, but
Yeah, that's why I hate those
I
too.
think this is, this is the one. This one's good, but this one comes back up. I don't like them really much, but I just have them. I don't know, but I just have them from 1,000 Gifts in Maine.
1,000 gifts.
Well, guys, sadly, I forgot to say clicky side, but...
Good. That's annoying.
Guys, this is not my most humongous pocket, but it's this. It's not my biggest
It
pocket.
used to be mine.
Yeah, and
I just
a lot of people in my class really want it.
No.
And I'm never gonna try
Stella tried wanted it
very
for
big.
a lot of fidgets, and I just really liked that so much. I said no.
Like a whole stack of poppets. Guys, I'm getting close to say clicky shine.
Please don't say flicky side.
Clicky shine.
How dare you!
Well, guys, I got this from the mall for about $20.
20 bucks.
It's in a mall in the capital of Albany in New York, which I live close to. Okay.
I'm just.
We got my most humongous pocket. This one is 100.
That used to be Madison's. Well,
You don't know.
she forgot it at home. Here. She comes here sometimes. And
Well, guys, in the next video, there is something called, we did something way back in April in 2021, and it's called 5-star news. It's the first time I made up this voice I'm saying, and I will probably post it in the next video. 5-star news. It's you'll see what it's about. Guys, I can't do clicky shine because this thing's too big, but it's good, I guess.
my hands are tired, Pug.
Just put it down on the thing.
And they can't really see it.
It's fine, guys. If that sound satisfying, it's just a clicky shine.
Yeah.
Nope. Clicky shine. Okay.
That's it. You're on the clicky
Now
side.
we're on the dimples.
Okay, is that all? How many dimples are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't start the small dimples. I'll start.
Are there 7 dimples, you said?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll start with my small dimples. I got this simple dimple. It is from Target.
Target.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
And it's kind of new, if you ask me.
It is?
Yeah, and clicky side.
Yeah, it is.
Done. Now I got this dimple. It is very nice. Okay, it is this one. I think I got this from Maine. It's very nice. Clicky shine. Okay. Now we got the last simple dimple. This one, it's black. I think I got this from, it's Amazon. Look, guys, it has smiley faces. It is so awesome. Clicky side.
Please don't say that. If you say that one more time, I'm going to ruin your life, Carl.
What did you say? Ah! Okay, it's this one. There's very tiny pops. I think this used to be a spinner, but
Yeah, but
like as you see, the spinny thing
it broke off.
fell. And this is from Maine. I have a lot of fidgets that are from Maine. And yeah. And guys, her favorite part, clicky side.
Ugh, I hate when you say that.
It could be other people's favorite part.
I hate when you say that.
Okay, guys, next one. We got this tiny Among Us dimple.
How many?
4 pop. Click aside.
Well, look up. How many dimples?
I think so. How many left? And next one is this Among Us dimple. Get one dimple off. And this is my Among Us dimple. This is a someone traded it to me. I won't give it back, and she wants it back. I'm never gonna give it back. Never.
She probably forgot about it anyways.
Yeah, and I'm never gonna give this back because it's Ashen.
So.
Click aside.
I hate this.
Click aside.
I hate when you say that.
Okay. Now the last dimple. The dimple.
Yeah.
The big dimple.
Oh my god.
Click aside.